Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to HBI Auto. We are in the 2016 Audi S6. I've never driven in the S6 before. My dad actually owns an S5, and I've had friends with an S3 and an S4, and honestly, I'm really excited to drive this one because I've seen it in our lot for a couple days now, and I'm just ready to dive into it. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, it's a four-door sedan. I've got two seats in the back there, so you got plenty of room for passengers right off the bat, and honestly, lots of headroom. I feel like I'm just really sat low in this car. I don't know what it is. I cannot get my seat right now. But while I figure that out, so engine wise, you're working with a 4-liter V8 engine producing around 450 to the wheel, which isn't bad at all. It's pretty peppy for a sedan, and obviously with the Audi platform and the S and the RS kind of cars, you can build off that power tremendously. Vint, who you guys hopefully remember, he actually had a built S4 and he was knocking down some records with that thing. So I don't at all knock on the Audi power. It's just, it's never been my kind of thing. I did at 1.1 an S3, and I kind of still do. Maybe like an RS3? I don't know. I really want an R8. I don't know. We'll see where life takes us. But anyways, back to the S6. So like I said, 450 to the wheel, 4-liter V8 engine, 4-door passenger, a 0 to 60 time of about 5 seconds, which obviously is not fast. For a sedan and a heavy V8, it's not the worst. It can be better. You do have a really nice sunroof right here. You got full black interior with some wood accents right here, so it's really clean. I've always appreciated the interior of Audis. I think they've always been really clean and appealing to me. And I love with the black leather seats, you have the white stitching. I don't know if you guys can see that really well. You have the white diamond stitching on here, which you'll find throughout a lot of different S models and like the RS models, which it's always been clean, always been classy to me. So this is the interior of this Audi S6. Again, this is a 2016 model, very clean interior, something that I've come to really appreciate and love, just how sporty the design is, especially with the S models and the RS models. I really love how sporty they are. Anyways, moving on. Like I said earlier, you got you have a predominantly black interior with a little bit of wood accent around here, and you do have just a really nice steering wheel, very sporty. You do have that flat bottom style, paddle shifters. I really love the gauge display. Your center console area has a nice screen right there that pops up on startup. Your center console area is a little bit interesting. I don't know how I feel about this is the radio button. As you guys can see, I'm just kind of touching that. I don't know how I feel about that, to be honest, but it's a little different. Kind of reminds me of like something like a Lexus would offer. Your start stop button is on this side of the center console, which is interesting to me. You do have 2 cup holders right here, which is nice. Storage area up front. But again, just a full, really nice interior, very sporty seats. These are always comfortable seats. I don't know why or how they're so comfortable, but they are. Again, with that white diamond stitching right there. And then it's also found in the back seats as well. Very sporty, very clean. Also tons of good headroom and just space to move around. Tons of really good visibility. I really like this for a potential daily driver and weekend car. Now with your trunk space, you can see how much room you have back here. It's a ton. It actually really does go further into the cabin area, which I'm impressed with. You could potentially fit some golf clubs in here. I don't know. I don't have a set of clubs with me. I do have my backpack for reference. You can see right there. A really good trunk space. I like that a lot. So this is the exterior of this 2016 S6. Again, 4-liter V8 engine in the front. This is a Quattro, so you do have 4-wheel drive all around, so it's a really fun winter vehicle as well, and it's capable of handling those snowy and icy conditions, and really good for daily driving capabilities. Sorry, it's a little windy out here. It's about to start raining. But you do have that dual quad-tipped exhaust back there. Again, just a really sporty design. With the front area, I've seen a lot of people actually replace this grille with the RS style grille, where you have the honeycomb inserts. I think it looks a little bit better. I also really like this design as well. But that's going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you're interested in this 2016 S6, I highly recommend coming to check it out. If you're looking for a new daily driver, something with a little bit of more, pizzazz and punch in as far as power. With Quattro, you do have that 4-wheel drive capability, which is really nice, especially in the winter and different driving conditions. Really nice interior. I think it's luxurious. I think it's sporty and it's sleek. It's capable, and it's practical for daily use as well as just a good weekend car. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.